Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, one half of the talk show Talks Over Drinks, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still out here making money. Okay, let's get into it.
Hey, Chief. We got us one wrong.
Already.
This that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the people need that motivation.
Tenfold.
Everybody going through something, you know what I mean?
So you guys might be wondering why I'm on the New York Post website right now. Well, I'm on here for a specific reason. Now, in my previous video, I showed you guys how you can make money from home as an affiliate, making websites for individuals that's in the music industry, who want to get started in the music industry, who already got products that they want to promote and sell along with their music, whatever it is that they want to do when it comes to being a music artist. I talked about that in the previous video, but this right here, we're going to talk about something a little bit different. Now, everybody doesn't like the same thing, and one of the biggest things that I always promote is how you can make money doing what you love. Because the worst thing you can possibly do is get involved in a business doing something that you absolutely hate or have no idea of what's going on or have no interest in. What's going to happen is, one, if you make some money, you're not going to make a lot. Now, what's going to happen before you possibly make any money in that potential business is that you're going to lose interest in it. First and foremost, you never had any interest in it, but now it's something that you feel as though, okay, I'm not really interested in it. I'm not making any money in it. So I'm just going to give up. I'm going to drop it. I'm going to go on to the next thing. Matter of fact, what a lot of people do is they become influenced by other people to join various different businesses, things that they never had an interest in from the beginning, and they'll go from business to business failing. And one of the main reasons why people fail is because lack of interest and that they're not doing the things that they like or love. So in this video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different, and I'm gonna make a couple more videos like this because I like to do reports on different events that's going on. But I'm on the New York Post website right now. I'm gonna scroll down so we could talk about something that happened a little bit ago, but I just wanted to do a video on this just to show, for example, how you can make money from home as an affiliate marketer doing anything. Whatever your interest is, you can actually make money. So I'm gonna scroll down so we can look at the article that I was looking at, right? So right here is the article about the Gorilla Glue girl, Tessica Brown. She gets her hair unstuck after surgery. Now, this was a crazy story right from the beginning. This young woman, or this woman that at first appearance, I thought she was a young girl, maybe a teenager, but come to find out, this woman is 40 years old, and she decided to use Gorilla Glue. She decided to use Gorilla Glue in her hair. I don't know what possessed her to do that, but she did it, and she couldn't get it out. So she had to undergo surgery to get the Gorilla Glue removed out of her hair. Now, not to even talk about the article too much, but just to skim through, it says here, Tessica Brown, the Louisiana woman who went viral after smearing Gorilla Glue on her hair to style it, has finally gotten the incredibly sticky stuff out through surgery. So this woman had to go through surgery in order to get the Gorilla Glue out of her hair. I also read in the article that she cut off her ponytail, right? And let me just see what it says here. So it says, how's it feel like to feel your hair like that again? A voice is heard asking. That's written real horrible, but the response was, now I wish I would have waited to cut my ponytail off, Brown says. So this is what we're going to do. I know you might be asking yourself, well, where's my money at? How do I make money with this? I'm gonna show you how. After doing a quick Google search, I had to find out how much Gorilla Glue annual sales actually are, right? Because I was kind of interested in how much do they actually earn per year. So as it states here, Gorilla Glue's annual revenues are $100 to $500 million per year. That's a lot of money right there. Now what that says to me as an affiliate marketer is that there's a potential to make money here. Now how do we make money with this? I'm gonna show you exactly how. And we're gonna do this with just $1 and 2 programs, so to speak. So the first one I'm going to show you is how you can actually, be an affiliate with Amazon. So most of us have an Amazon account, right? If you don't, make sure that you get an Amazon Prime account. I'll definitely put a link in the description so that you guys can start your free Amazon, Prime. Get a little trial with that so you can be able to shop, do your shopping. Amazon, basically, they have everything under the sun. And one of the best things, the most important things that they have is for a person like myself, an affiliate marketer. They have a affiliate program which is absolutely free that you can sign up for. So just so we could go through this, how we would do this, I went on Amazon, right? I looked up Gorilla Glue spray because that's what the young woman actually used in her hair as an adhesive, right? So it shows that on Amazon this is selling for $9.47 for a pack of 1, right? So what are we going to do with this? So if you guys don't already know, I showed you in the previous video that I am an Amazon.com associate. So you can actually sign up as an Amazon associate, or in other words, an affiliate with Amazon for absolutely free. So what I did was I scrolled down to the bottom of this page, right? Looked at all the details, looked at all the information about Gorilla Glue. Said, man, this looked real interesting right here. Never really thought about promoting Gorilla Glue. Looked at all the different products that they have, all the different variations and things like that. I looked at some of the customer questions and answers. This right here would come in handy, but that's for another type of training, a more in-depth training to look at all that kind of stuff. Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5. So it's a pretty good product on here. And I paused for a second right there because the first review is always something bad. So it says worst adhesion of the bunch. Okay, so one person has a negative opinion on it, but then of course you got some positive ones. So it's always somebody that's going to give a bad review. That's okay. Everybody's not going to be satisfied with every product. So next we're going to scroll up, right? So this is what I was looking for. We're looking for the technical details. Then you see this right here, it says product number. We just going to take that, copy that. Now the next step is we're going to go up here to Amazon Associates. So if you haven't signed up for an Amazon Associates account, definitely sign up. Like I said, it's free. But when you sign up for it, it allows you to promote any and all products on Amazon. So next we're going to click on this product linking and then product links. Links page loads up. Right here there's a search bar. So for easy searching of that exact product, I'm just going to copy and paste. So as you can see, it has various listings here, right? But we just going to click on this second one. This is the one exactly that we were looking at. So we're going to click the arrows right here, and you're going to see 2 links right here. That's a real long link. I don't know too many people that want to post that in different posts. Let's say you post it on Instagram or whatever other social media. This link right here could take up a large amount of space, and you might only have limited amount of characters. So you want to click on the shortened URL. So this is what we're going to take. We're going to copy this right here. And I always advise people to have like a little notepad. So we're going to open up Notepad, right? And we just going to paste that link right there just so that we have it, right? Now we're going to come back to our page. So we got the link, right? Next step, what we're going to do is this. We're going to go over to markelprines.com. If you don't already have your account started for $1, you know the drill. Scroll down, click the link, get access for $1. You get access to all these different tools, right? So once when you actually sign into your account, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Cheetah website builder, right? And I'm going to click on this website right here, which is rvadelivered.com website, which is a website that I've been working on and building. I got a couple of different things on here for you guys, so feel free to check that website out just to look at it, see what's on there, different deals, different affiliate marketing programs promoted, different opportunities on here. But we're not going to go into this section over here, right? What we're going to do is we're going to go into our blog. So if you scroll here on the side, you'll see a bunch of options for your website. Right here, I'm going to click on blog because I have a blog for this particular website, RVA Delivered blog. All right, so with this Builderall program, you can create unlimited amount of blogs. So you can create blogs for different clients, different people that you're doing business with, and you can actually charge them a separate fee, a monthly fee for maintaining and updating their blogs. So for example here, for this purpose of us making money, we're going to go into edit blog. And I'm going to show you a couple of things real quick. So as you can see, I got a couple of hits from different blogs that I've written. And of course, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one for an example, right? So I'm going to go to my post, and I'm going to go to this one right here, Animaker Review. So we're going to click on this so you can actually see what it looks like. So it gives an overview of the Animaker animated video creation tool, which in here, if you can see all the things that show little highlights, if you go to the actual article that I wrote, these are clickable links. These links will take you back to markelprines.com. Now this right here is important, and this is helpful because what we're going to do is, seeing as though we're going to go, let's go back, matter of fact, to the Gorilla Glue Girls article. So as you can see in the New York Post, there's different things, videos on the side. These aren't just news articles. Everything listed on here isn't just simple news articles. These are actual clickable ads that you can actually click on, and it'll take you more than likely to different affiliate pages. We're going to do the same thing when it comes to our blog. So in this one, for example, there's some information about the Animaker animated video creation tool that you can read about and see how it'll benefit your business if you want to make money making animated videos. And then it has links in it that you can click on, and it'll take you to the Animaker website where you can actually sign up, and it's absolutely free. You can actually start creating videos, whether it's animated videos or stock videos. You can make those, and you can start doing it absolutely for free. So I want you to look at this, for example, and we want to go back to, let's go back to Amazon, right? So what we're going to do is we would do an article on Gorilla Glue. Now the Amazon page itself has a wealth of information about Gorilla Glue, right? People with common sense know that Gorilla Glue is not for your hair, but right here it gives information about the product. If you don't know how to use Gorilla Glue, the Amazon page itself will give you tips on what you would actually use Gorilla Glue for. And this is where I said it comes in handy when you start looking at the reviews. So you have the product description. Once again, you have customer reviews, which you would possibly go through those just to get an idea of, some people write about how they actually used it, you know, their experiences with it. And these are actual reviews that you can put on your blog itself, writing about, you know, that particular product, the Gorilla Glue. Put your links on it. So we would, wherever there's a link here, for example, for this product, we would put our link that we had copied, right? put this link right here in there, and this is exactly what we would do. We'd copy it, and I'm going to show you, for example, what we would do. So if you're looking at this right here, right, as soon as I click on it, it says visit URL, Animaker, and that's for my affiliate link, right? All I would have to do is just right click and paste that link in there. Now this right here, when you're reading it on the blog, if anybody was reading it and saw this highlighted, they would click on it, it would take you to the Amazon page so that you can actually purchase that product. And what I'll do is I'm gonna click on this separate one, and I'm gonna just copy, well, paste the link right in there, right, so you can see. Now it's not going to look the same for you, possibly because I'm signed in, but this is what you should get. This is the link, and if a person comes here and purchases the Gorilla Glue, it's linked to me as an affiliate, and I will get a commission. So with that right there, we're going to end this video. We're not going to make it too long, and this is how you can actually take part in a $500 million a year industry for absolutely, well, just about free. For just $1, you can get started with your own home-based business. So if anybody comes to you with a business idea for something that you have no particular interest in, and they're trying to promote the fact that you can make a lot of money, but the product or service that they're promoting to you costs $100, $200, $300 or more, think about this first. You can actually start a business doing what you like and love for just $1, and you can promote whatever you want. Think about that. Now, a lot of people may be into things like crypto or other stuff like that, and I'm gonna do some videos on that also, but you don't have to join a particular company paying any monthly fees in order to, you know, get into the crypto space like that, right? You can actually be a part of the industry and make money without doing it but being a affiliate, and you can do that all just with that $1. So once again, I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Make sure you click the links in the description, and matter of fact, I'm gonna put that, Gorilla Glue link in the description, so if you guys happen to want to make a purchase of it, you definitely can. And once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines. Have a great rest of your day.